The Ukrainians are playing innocent, not apologizing for the sea drone that endangered Greek shipping. The perfectly reasonable demand of our country became a major issue in the Ukrainian media. First of all, an apology from Kiev for the fact that one of its sea drones was discovered near the island of Lefkada, which poses a significant threat to civilian shipping in the Mediterranean. Athens raised the issue with its NATO and European Union partners and stated that Ukraine owes Greece a very big apology for the incident, while also warning that the Mediterranean must not become a theater of war. Greek officials stated on May 5th or 21st that a maritime drone discovered near the island of Lefkada posed a serious security threat, and it was identified as a Ukrainian unmanned surface vessel, known as a USV. An investigation report on the incident was delivered to the office of the Greek Prime Minister last week and included a detailed technical analysis of the drone. The Minister of Defense, Dendias, stated that Athens no longer has any doubt about its origin. There is not the slightest doubt. There is little doubt that it was a Ukrainian sea drone. We know what kind it is, where it was manufactured, and what it was doing, Dendias said. The minister described the incident as extremely dangerous, warning that a civilian ship could have sunk if it had collided with the drone. If any cruise ship traveling from Venice to the eastern Mediterranean had hit this object, it would have sunk to the bottom of the sea, said Dendias during a meeting of NATO defense ministers. He also questioned how many casualties such an incident could have caused. Nevertheless, Kiev not only did not apologize, but also asked Greece not to copy the drone, sources say. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments.